Hello shamanettes and welcome to the Beauty Shaman. So every year Pantone comes out with a color of the year. I'm going to do this a lot. And this year it's called Mocha Mousse, which gives you a vision of delectable chocolate, which in my opinion is way better than last year's Peach Fuzz. That was the color, which reminded me of a prepubescent boy. I made a lot of jokes about Peach Fuzz because, like, what's not funny about that? So the more serious thing behind Mocha Mousse is, and I'm going to quote from their website. So this is their idea behind it and what they're trying to say by choosing this color for 2025. Sophisticated and lush, yet at the same time an unpretentious classic. Pantone Mocha Mousse extends our perceptions of the browns from being humble and grounded to embrace aspiration and luxe. A little overly dramatic in my opinion, but you know, it sounds pretty good. But in truth, browns can easily make older women look dead and dated. So how can we embrace the mocha palette and look chic, not catatonic? So today I'm going to explain how to wear it, what browns look good on what skin tone, and how to wear brown lipstick without looking like you stuck mud on your face, which is kind of the effect it tends to have. So today my model is Star, and we are creating a sophisticated and lush mocha look. Let's get going. Okay, by way of explanation with brown, I feel like this is necessary before we start the makeover. The big question is, how can you look chic, not catatonic, with browns? So look, I know women who have used the same brown palette for 10 years. Maybe that's you, and you're scared to try color, and those who flee from brown. So the trick to having browns look alive and not dated is how you wear them. For example, using a graduated application method, you can go from 1 shade darker than your skin to 3 to 4 shades darker if the colors are well placed and blended. So I'm going to demo this on Star. Having said that, if you have brown skin, brown hair, brown eyes, and brown clothing, it's going to take some panache? How do you say that? And not look boring as heck. So I recommend going more towards cocoa, chocolate, and bronze shades, and even slightly maroon, which isn't a part of the Mocha Mousse palette, but I do think it's worthy of mention in order to add a little color. So let's start with some foundation and get that really beautiful matte finish that covers discoloration and browns, because you have to remove the browns in order to put on the browns. To even out Star's skin and remove anything brown on her complexion, I'm using PROMETICS' new CC cream. It is a cream to powder, so you get the coverage of a liquid with the non-creasing properties of a powder. It is hydrating and works like skincare to protect and nurture mature skin. It goes on easily and neutralizes discolorations on her skin. Once applied, I add a little concealer under her eyes and we are done. As you can see, her skin looks natural, but smooth and luxe. I already filled in Star's brows, so now we are going to really bring out her eyes. As a base, I'm using Nebula, a wonderful cream eyeshadow that doesn't crease and stays on all day. Then I'm using a mocha shade in her outer crease and under her eye, and a chocolate color blended into her outer crease. With practice, you can achieve a lovely graduated look that lifts up any hooded lid. After that, I'm using a Mocha, a water-resistant eyeliner pencil on the top and bottom of her eyes, blending them to avoid a liner look. I love this eyeshadow look. It's very classic, it's kind of dramatic, but it's very current. Gorgeous. Then I add a lengthening and thickening mascara in the perfect dark brown to really make her lashes incredible. Brown lipstick looks like mud, so to better work with it, try a sheer warm brown, peachy, or reddish brown, 1 to 2 shades lighter or darker than your skin. On Star, I'm using a warmer peachy satin lipstick with a soft brown liner in conjunction with a copper tone blush. Warm blush can really help if the look is too boring and brown. Having said that, brown lipstick on Star would fall flat, so heading towards a peach works great. People with smaller lips shouldn't go too dark on lipstick. It's better to make the eyes the focal point and keep the lips soft but noticeable. I also tossed on some lip gloss because why not?
I don't normally wear foundation. I don't wear a lot of makeup actually. So I am really pleased with the foundation, the way it feels on my skin, and I like the way it looks. I think it's a perfect match actually. I think that with my blue eyes, that brown is actually a pretty good match. So I will have more brown in my life.
Thank you so much for watching the video about Mocha Mousse and how to wear it. If you have questions, please put them down below. I really love all of you, and I really love helping all of you, and I want you to know that I read everything that you write and really want to contribute to being able to, pull this off if you're into wearing trends. I mean, I think this is a big trend. And it's, I think many of you can pull it off. Honestly, some of you can't. I mean, it isn't for everybody for sure, but I do think it's a lot of fun. And I think we could honestly use these colors to really look more current. So, and sometimes that's just a really fun thing. So anyway, have a great day. And thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman.